Let's talk architecture. Today, we're not just talking about one single home. We're talking about interior and architectural design history, how design has evolved over the last few decades and arrived to a home like this. In 1970s and 80s, design was all about statement, loud, dramatic, excessive, filled with bold colors, brass mirrors, and ornamentation. By 90s and early 2000s, luxury softened into something more mature and heavily curated. This was the era of decorative luxury. Warm beige wall, cherry wood cabinetry, and Tuscan-style kitchen with heavy granite, dark espresso cabinets, and ornamentation details. Then came to 2010, social media, especially Instagram, completely reshaped our spaces. Kitchen turned into bright white, and walls became gray. By 2015, we reached to the absolute peak of thorough minimalism, the era of all gray, everything. And then 2020 happened. Spending so much time at home because of COVID really changed our relationship between us and spaces. The artificial perfection started to get away, and the warmth, comfort, and most importantly, authenticity comes in. And that's when wabi-sabi, quiet luxury, the style really took over, and this home particularly is a perfect example of that shift. Let's take a look. So here, we're so much about texture over color. Look at the kitchen. In the past, the luxury standard was heavy granite and dramatic fall marble veins. Today, designer want materials that feels more honest and serene. This cloth features soft shade and warm beige undertone blend seamless with the cabinetry. And speaking of wood, raw timber is making a massive comeback. Modern design no longer relies on contrasting color to create depth. It uses tactile surfaces. This wall here, especially for example, on the ventures and the background of it, it's full of texture. It's all handcrafted. Feels just like the stucco. And even this fireplace is also finished with a granular hand-applied plaster. So for both spaces, you feel these are sculptural volume rather than just cosmetic patterns, giving the entire space a handcrafted, grounded feel. In the bathroom, this exact same philosophy applies. The mirror features irregular organic shapes, so the space is softened with this edge. The tile is no longer trying to be something else like a fake marble or fake wood. They embrace being tiles on their self, focusing on this three-dimensional texture with large-scale ridge and dynamic shadow effect. Even the shower niche is no longer a little box. Instead, inspired the legendary architect like Carlo Scarpa, the design manipulates the entire wall to step back and using the architecture thickness to create this functional space and build right into the structure for your daily function of shampoo and daily essential. Other than the interior luxury style happens in the home, this home is also sit on a vast 9,000 square foot lot. Most of the neighborhood homes are 6,000, so you get a lot more extra premium. Not to mention, it sits on a cul-de-sac. You know, many cul-de-sac homes, they sit right facing the street, and to some people, they worry about the traffic. And this one is on the cul-de-sac on the side. You only have privacy and some avocado fruit in the backyard waiting for you.